Yes, student, today we're going to learn how to reduce given equation to a pair of linear equation into variable and solving them. It means the pair of equation which are given are not linear equations. Why they are not linear equations? First, let's see. We know that the general form of linear equation is like this: a1x b1y plus c1 equal to 0. c1 may be here, or in the given equation it may be on the left hand side or on the right hand side. So what we are observing, x and y, they are on the numerator, but in the given equation x and y are on the denominator places. So that's why they are not called as linear equation in two variables. So first of all, we have to reduce them, we have to convert them in linear equation in to variable form, and then we have to solve accordingly. So what we're going to do, we have to take 1 upon x equal to some other variable and 1 upon y equal to some other variable. So we have, suppose, let 1 upon x equal to, we are taking, let u, and 1 upon y equal to v. Then in place of 1 upon x and 1 upon y, we're going to substitute these two variables. Then given equations become, now the number is 1 upon 2. First write the number 1 upon 2, and in place of 1 upon x, what we have to write? U. So 1 upon x become u. Then for another 1 upon 3 and 1 upon y becomes v equal to 2. The same way, next equation we have to write, it is 1 upon 3u plus 1 upon 2v equal to 13 upon 6. Now we are seeing that these two equations are looking a little complicated. So what we're going to do, we will going to convert them in simplest form by taking the LCM. So when we take the LCM, it will become 3 to 6. This will give 3u plus 2v equal to 2. And when we take 6 to the another side, this will give 3u plus 2v equal to 6 into 2, 12. The same way here also we have to take the LCM. 3 into 2, 6. This will become 2u plus 3v equal to 13 upon 6. And when we take 6 to the another side, 6 and 6 will be cancelled, so it will give 2u plus 3v equal to 13. So let this be first equation and let this be second equation. Now for solving the pair of linear equation, we have learned three methods: substitution, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. We are going to use the elimination method because by using elimination method the calculation is very fast. It saves the time. So we have decided we have to eliminate u. If we want to eliminate u, the coefficient of u we have to make common. So here is the number 3 and here is the number 2. So for making them the same number, what we have to do, we have to take the LCM of both of them. If we take the LCM of 3 and 2, so it will give 6. It means we have to make this 3 as 6 and this 2 as 6. So it means equation first is to be multiplied by 2 and equation second is to be multiplied by 3. Then as both of them have the same sign and we have to eliminate them. Eliminate means we have to make them 0. So it means one must be in negative sign. They must be in opposite sign. One should be in positive and another should be negative. So since they are in both of them are in the same sign, so what we're going to do, we're going to subtract both the equations. So we're going to write the statement: multiplying equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3 and subtracting. We're going to subtract both of them. So multiply 2 3 6u plus 2 2 4v, 12 into 2 24. Each and every term you have to multiply by 2. The same way in second, 3 2 6u, 3 3 9v equal to 39. Now since we have to subtract, it means we have to change the sign of each term of the second equation. Now plus minus minus, this will become 0, plus minus minus, 9 minus 4 will give 5v. Since greater number is in negative sign, so put negative symbol over here. Plus minus minus, again we have to subtract. 39 minus 24 will give 5 and 1, 15. So greater number is in negative, so put the symbol of negative. This will give v equal to minus 15 upon minus 5. So this will give 3. So the value of v, what we have, 3. Now when we get the value of v, next we have to find the value of u. So we're going to substitute the value of v either in equation first or in equation 2. So I am substituting it in the equation first. So from equation first, what we have, 3u plus 2 into 3 equal to 12. 3u plus 6 equal to 12. Take 6 to the another side. This will give 12 minus 6. So this will give 3u equal to 12 minus 6 will be equal to 6. So u is equal to 6 divided by 3. This will give 2. So the value of u we get 2 and the value of v got 3. Since we know that the meaning of the word solving means that we have to find the value of the variable, but in the given equation we have the variable x and y, and we have find it out the value of v and u. So it means this is not the final solution. What we have to do next, we have to find the value of x and y. Since we have supposed 1 upon x equal to u and 1 upon y equal to v, we have to substitute the value of u and v in both of them, and accordingly we have to do the calculation. This implies that 1 upon x is equal to 2 and 1 upon y is equal to 3. Since we have to find the value of x, so what we're going to do, we have to take the reciprocal on both sides. So when we take the reciprocal on both sides, this will become x upon 1 equal to 1 upon 2, and here also y upon 1 equal to, here the denominator is 1, so 1 upon 3. So when you have to find the value of x and y, we have to take the reciprocal on both the sides. Reciprocal means we have to interchange the numbers from numerator and denominator. So or we can write it as x is equal to 1 upon 2 and y is equal to 1 upon 3. So this way we get the value of x and y. Thank you.